Now let's see how you can successfully install WordPress on Hostinger. So just go to hpanel.hostinger.com. Okay, and then just go ahead to hosting. Okay, so you will see at very top hosting, and from here you guys need to select your domain wherever you want to install WordPress. Okay, so in my case I will just go with this domain name. So procedures are same for all the domain. Click on this manage button, and then from here you guys will basically going to see the plenty of options. Okay, so my friends, here you can see the hostinger has changed their basically uh, look of their panel. So under website you guys will going to find WordPress, or you can see auto installer. Okay, so just click on this auto installer, and from here also you can just choose whatever domain name. Okay, so it's this one. Okay, so for case if you want to change to this one, you can. And after you do this, click on this select button. Okay, and after that just put your website title. Okay, and put your administration email. So I will going to suggest you guys put your email and username same, and put the title, let's say demo. Okay, and you can also set the password as well. Okay, for your website, and then you just don't have to do anything in advance. Okay, just set your password and everything, and after you do this, just click on this next button, and then you have to don't do anything basically. Here also keep the details. By default select the language to English or whatever you want to. Okay, it's totally up to you, of course. And after you do this, just click on this install button, and now your WordPress will be installed successfully, basically to your panel. Okay, or on your domain name. Okay, so you can just use it. Okay, so let's wait for it to get installed. Okay, let's wait, and it's almost done. Okay, so you can see it's done. Now you can see that WordPress is installed. You can of course go to your edge panel, and from here you can just edit the website. It will going to open your WordPress dashboard from the panel. But I will also going to tell you guys how you can even access your WordPress website without going to edge panel again and again. Okay, so you just need to do one very simple thing. You just need to type whatever domain name you have. Okay, so in my case it's kunallunhave.me. Then you have to put slash mark, then you have to put WP, then just put hash, and then write admin. Okay, so this front end you have to put your domain name, and after that you just have to put slash mark, and WP admin will always be common. That means whatever WordPress dashboard you want to go. So first type the domain name of that wherever you want to go to the backend of the WordPress. So just write the domain name of that, and at end always add WP admin. Okay, so suppose your domain name is XYZ, then after XYZ you will put slash mark WP dash admin. In my case my domain name is kunalhonayat.me, then I will put the slash mark, then WP admin, and then click on enter. It will again take you to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, or it can ask you to put your username and password login details as well. Let me even show that to you. Okay, so let me just open this in a private window, and if I will click on enter, so it will going to ask your username and password. Okay, and then you just need to log in. That's it. Okay, so this is how you can just go to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so first of all you just need to do some basic settings. From these top screen options, you can just first of all untick all of them to make your WordPress website very neat and clean. Okay, like that. Even if you want to get something, so you can even of course do that. For example, you can enable the site health as well, but I generally keep all them off. Okay, and then you just need to go to settings. From the settings, okay, go to general, And from general, make sure that everything is okay, and make sure always select this to anyone can register. Okay, and from here you can just of course choose your country time zone. If you're from India, so in India case you can just choose UTC 5:30 time zone. Okay, and make sure but you always select this membership to anyone can register. Okay, so this is very much important. Make sure you guys, in your case, it if it is untick, make sure you tick it. Okay, because it is very much important. And then just click on save changes. That's it. And from the general you will see the option of a permalink. So here you will see the option of a permalinks. Click on that button, and by default it will be selected to any of them, but you have to select to post name. You have to select to post name, and then click on save changes. Okay, so these are the main and most advantage or most important settings which you have to do, okay, whenever you create your WordPress website. Okay, so these are the thing which I just wanted to teach you guys. Okay, and this is how you can basically install WordPress very easily to your hosting, web hosting. In our case it's Hostinger. Okay, so it is that simple, my friends. Okay,